So I'm going to start with the heating element. That's actually, it's not this whole big long metal tube. The heating element is just this little piece right here. They'd really stick after a while. And up here. There we are. Okay. To get the whole assembly off, we don't need to unscrew these. These bolts are holding on the actual coil. We have to unscrew this one bolt up here. It's actually screwed on from the inside. So I'm gonna pop this cover back open. And there it is. Actually, that might be a 1/4 inch. I could be wrong. We'll just try it. Oh yeah, okay. Take this. Oops, there we go. Let's cover back on. I'm just gonna pull this back and off. It's hooked on these little brackets down here. Okay, I'm gonna take this inside, pop it open, get it cleaned up.